Regions Financial Corporation is a bank holding company headquartered in the Regions Center in Birmingham, Alabama. The company provides retail banking and commercial banking, trust, stock brokerage, and mortgage services. The design of the credit card itself has become a major selling point in recent years. A growing field of numismatics, or more specifically 𝐘𝐨𝐿, credit card collectors seek to collect various embodiments of credit from the now familiar plastic cards to older paper merchant cards, and even metal tokens that were accepted as merchant credit cards. Early credit cards were made of celluloid plastic, then metal and fiber, then paper, and are now mostly polyvinyl chloride plastic. However, the chip part of credit cards is not made from plastic but from metals. Although a credit card may be one of two or more items serving as an identity document, its major uses are to facilitate a non-cash purchase and enable receiving cash. When no purchase is involved, THR transaction is called a cash advance. This includes where the cash is delivered or via kiosk. A cash advance is a service provided by most credit card and charge card issuers. The service allows cardholders to withdraw cash, either through an ATM or over the counter at a bank or other financial agency, up to a certain limit. For a credit card, this will be the credit limit. Cash advances often incur a fee of 3 to 5% of the amount being borrowed. When made on a credit card, the interest is often higher than other credit card transactions. The interest compounds daily starting from the day cash is borrowed. Some purchases made with a credit card of items that are viewed as cash are also considered to be cash advances in accordance with the credit card network's guidelines, thereby incurring the higher interest rate and the lack of the grace period. These often include money orders, prepaid debit cards,